In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Cash App QR code. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This works for any device, including Android and iOS phones. All you have to do is download the latest version of Cash App on your phone to ensure that you have the full functionality of the QR code payments. After you ensure that Cash App is properly updated through the Play Store or the App Store, just create an account. Whenever you sign up for Cash App, a QR code is automatically created and assigned to your account. In order to properly find said QR code, what you have to do is open up the latest version of the app, and within the app, click on your icon at the top right corner of the main page of the app. In there, you can see settings related to your personal account, and at the top left corner of the screen, you should see two little square icons. That is the QR code functionality, and once you click it, you will be able to see the QR code assigned to your account. You can share that QR code by clicking the arrow icon at the top right corner of that page, or you can use the scan function at the bottom and share it with friends for them to scan your Cash App QR code. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Cash App QR code. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.